Julle, if you see me looking like Gita McGregor from Sevenderland tomorrow, I went to the wrong gig. So my work is hosting a barbecue vandag en kom ons hoop hulle bedoel hulle gaan 'n vleisie braai en nie ons gaan in 'n ry staan vir 'n haircut nie. So hulle het gevra as jy kan, almal moet ietsie saambring soos 'n koeldrankie of 'n chippy of 'n a something vir hierdie event vandag. So kom ons gaan kyk wat het hulle by Morrisons. Guys, I come so much to Morrisons, I can literally just pay council tax here. Okay, so I'm thinking of doing maybe a couscous slaaitjie. Ons gaan seker burgers en worsies eet, so maybe this burger slaw. And just to complete the deal, this nacho cheese pasta salad. En dan net 'n paar pakke chips. Let's try this one and this one. Alright, these all my goods. Kom ons gaan braai. Of barbecue. Perfect day. Bietjie van ons bykosse. Games. Alright, yellow, so these my cozies. And so, let's give it a taste. No bad for a work braai. Gaan nie soos Gita McGregor like hier, want it's actually a braai. Okay, julle. Lekker dag, bye.